You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the number 16 in French. If you want to learn more counting and all the numbers in French, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more vocabulary linking to it at the end of the video, and stay tuned to the channel. French pronunciation here is 16, 16. How to say 16 in French, 16. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.